still there? Look and see if it's still there.
I think you scared it away, buddy.
Oh, I think I see it. Do I see it? Okay, that's enough screaming. Can you get it off? See if you can get it off.
I can.
Try.
I I'm not.
Use your fingers.
Okay. I hope this bug don't fight. Lick him. Flip, flip.
Did you get it?
No.
Licked it. Not yet. Oh, there it is. It's eating your toes. It's gone now.
Gone.
It's all gone.
Good job, Gabriel. You saved the day.